All right. So let's say Honorable Sam George Obone him Seramani say na we collaborate with America for and I say UK for Oma Bechi Ghana ni AY3ka na oye dede o say eka nipa 3 omba be found. But my question is say Honorable Sam George sembe to me the US for a collaboration a Ghana habit Ghana near. Now, what is preventing you people for arresting Sedina Tameklo who is hiding in the USA? Because oya party nipa with the Ghana sika 50 million Ghana cedis masloska mami we e disaster and the president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Edina a court. See, ye jailed for 10 years up to now. Say musi, say mu NDC for, say musi mu boy juma pa, and ye mu confess ama meno. Tameklo Sedina Tameklo mu franem bra Ghana hati, number prosecute. Yes, mumbe prosecute English. Me buefu inti brofone krayamba. Mufani tum ewa Ghana hasi sikana mamini sa Sedina Tameklo no ewiaye maslos kana owiaye no mumfa munkochine mbra mun collaborate sa na mumfa sa NDC mamino embra Ghana hasi that one ye youth ye be bonse mama mo na mukra ejuma no you people couldn't create job in this country not to me create job. And the youth, whatever be on baby and yes, can no moye, media mean fast to say, be the omoye and I say, media and family, but the American who some George and who NDC government and say move to me collaborate with the American government, but she Ghana near our Ghana has said, then it is possible for you people to arrest NDC Sedina Tameklo. Now we say
Sam George Obia. What can't some no ya dear? Yana to the bia, mean funny serious. Because Obia one send a year and a any dear. Ebiana Brano, Sabi, no Timmy Mobi. And Tiabia, say Andy's Yama power, and Castle a year and a henwo. And remember to do no more, or in the control, or Martinano and cat. Ghana, Ufa Memma do. Na sabe sa do no amoyem na hwe am watwe amagene nka ne ka na da hodo because obani ne control no wo be hyew wo be dio wo be ko wo be bawo wo ba ne control no na wanya Ghana mabunu ama ban papa betena konwa so I employ mabunu no some mabunu no nya adwuma because omo na ye abusua sebofo.
I ask you to be citizens.
Abusua pem ane mabunu no a MPP aban efa makonwam so monko na monko ye adwuma bra MPP aban no te akonwa so
Etumpan
NDC aban baya under John Dramani Mahama under NDC se prayer aban manwene mabuni ho monpam mabuni nyina monko fie ya pam mo so monko fie
Yera Mahama
mabunu school no monko yo Bebrewia University omo tifie MPP aba employer omo so mbenya adwuma ye omo nsabe koma no na omo abusua nya bibie di omo manya bibie di omo anya bibi ba bi di omo tiato basic necessities in life send panbenya atare ahye ba bi a wobeda wobenya bibie di wo ye minister no wo sika hia ne bio
ne ka na da hodo
pressure bi ama so bio because wo di obedi wo adwuma wo ye wo atade papa bi a sabe ni pa ehya atade akonipa mu a wo betimi ahye bi
ana papa dia na o kan kulisi
enti sa MPP abamba ya na MPP nyansam emaburu tifie ebi awie university ebi awie achechefo ntete ya bia nurse fo ntete ya bia ma yemfa wo mo na ndisi aba afinie wa pam nkra be 4000 man nkra ni tifie omunya adwuma nya na wo ka say education ene beboa nkra no a eden na wo kira kra no
Yera Mahama
we are mama wo fie practical work na me no ye no I speak to the ordinary Ghanaian one more aduane aduane na wano ano oba kom de no wo so ma oba ne bi ni wo wie ye ma me bone aduane kwa wasia hwie agu enso kom e de oba na oba ne kwa bonten na okobọ kro no a ye pa ya wie a wo se me ba ne niam mfa ne nkọ mo be kunum kra mo nkuno
President Mahama.
I'm not saying sir wo bi ye bone a me mmra nya dwuma wo but anya Sam George na dwuma no
Ne ka na da ho do.
Wonim papa one kanchira bampan John Dramani Mahama some mabunu no a wo ba ya no ma wi university achachire fontete bia nurse fontete bia wo pam o ya ya ma mo kotra fie no won fa madwuma mu
Ne ka na da ho do.
afa madwuma mu a sa ba crime ne hwahwan eso bete na brand ni tifie kom de no do aban no ho ontimi nya no ho brand wontimi ntua sabe wanyini e bia wo yere ne mamienu mensa wontimi hwa mo wapam no na Bible kraka common sense Bible read the Bible was say ensa anya dwuma no bronsam wo bɔ no paa se ensa wo hona ensa no nya dwuma bronsam bɔ ensa no paa aboa ne afra no wo ka ni bira so
Ne ka na da ho do.
na wan pa ne se wo be kɔ internet so no akɔ frɔde a no akɔ bɔkɔrɔ no wo internet so enyo bi apɛ no
And a bed out on all kind of could see.
anya part of Ghanaians
Me need time to waste.
wo bi a wo ye Ghanaian typical Ghanaian enya ne pa ne se wo kɔ no akɔ bɔkɔrɔ no no nko ani di aba bonten e di asɛm ho a anti ado aba na akɔ bɔkɔrɔ ni obi ampɛ ne saa by situation a mode Ghana for na mu no ahokyena ba Ghana mabunu no so
Ne ka na da ho do.
afiri amo nkakra omunya adwuma ya bojobojo obenya no 1 CDB ni 2 CDB ni 3 CDB no de to dokono ba ko adi no wono kra dokono bo akọ 7 Ghana cedis wantimi nto wapam na adwuma mu what do you expect na dear Sam George kan ye kra ye mahine say education na ye uko school dia wo ho beto ubenya adwuma ye bisa ne se nipa dodo san na akọ school awie university wo Ghana o me employed.
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness. And you them did you.
Yente Sam George Nembra. Come on.
You realize that just yesterday, one of my agencies, the Cybersecurity Authority, picked up an individual who is supposed to be successful. There's no peace with that kind of success. And there are 3 more we're picking up in the next few days because we're cracking down on cybercrime. And so cybercrime does not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, your houses away from you. But what you know and what you've learned cannot be taken away from you. And so education is the priceless gift that a child can get from their parents. Just yesterday, one of my agencies, the Cybersecurity Authority, picked up an individual who is supposed to be successful. There's no peace with that kind of success. And there are 3 more we're picking up in the next few days because we're cracking down on cybercrime. And so cybercrime does not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, your houses away from you. But what you know and what you've learned cannot be taken away from you.
Brother Kwabaya, hokra ne hear me. Sir, a woman sua your friend education potoka sam. And here wo man Ghana. Wo be bratin fifred in the Bako school, mane ba wie school a. Kanchira mampan John Dramani Mahama. Ne NDC abambone say ye employ mabunu no munya dwuma ye.
I think on this point, he has misbehaved.
Because I want me to say, want me to resign. Sir, education is the key. Nimdiana wo team no, uwa, obi ntimi ntwu nimdiam through team. Fantastic submission by all standard. But what the year juma? One point the year juma. Yaman pan John Dramani Mahama what the year juma na. Wonim dia wo kan. And I know about power. We na ja wo hwe enti wo hu san yansan. Amaya nyanya atwem okrom ha. Amaburu dudu san and on my wie school a o manya adwuma ye. Na de ya fa o madwuma mu kura no NDC aban ba e wapam mu nyina.
And a bed out on all kind of could see.
Enti nipa no okosko akwaje dan. Na Sam George na adwuma. Na adwuma no so abacheche Ghana for America for. Na adwuma no. So said you are national security coordinator.
And no na me dwen ho a menti ase no.
And oh you yoko boss. So said you abacheche Ghana for
Say anya
ade ama America for Sedina tamaklo mon kwatene mfiri UK mra
ne ka na da ho do
say US for to media lupre fra be si Ghana senkrofobia di bone ye be chi omakọ abro mo ye Ghana this year Sedina tamaklo mon kwatene mra
ne ka na da ho do
wa wi Ghana sika wa bo Ghana krono
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
anti Sam George won ko UK ban ho sania America ban frɛ no say de oye de omo na frɛ no ana omo de lupre ba ko si tamalo se he na omo de cheche amanfo wo Ghana mebo
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
anti masra ni die kwan so fra UK ban ka kire ni say ye sika bi akodi maami bi ho Sedina tamakulu ho wo mo krom ho ye hia no mo nte no mo so mo nte ne mra
ne ka na da ho do
are we serious as a country
wait
nti tambia be ko so ayankoa na tambia be ko so atra jimi mu sabe
wa she
kantete adwene no a na yade ya adwuma kantete badwumi bra yade ya adwuma anopa awia anwumra se yade ya adwuma
if it is foolishness it is foolishness
yes say adwene badwumi fo nkwa na ne paboate a once sane nante babwane se wa wo nante kama wo ya tia kro atewie as woni da ho mama bunu na dwuma nya
and papa dia no no kan kuli say
o se 3 shifts
ne ka na da ho do
adwuma ba ko emma bunu mi ensa na be ya adwuma no wo ba ye saade no kra won kai bi refi andi sifo no mo yare arefire yare
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
arefire akraba yare andi sifo no yade ase ehwe omo dwunim
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
because wo ba ye babunu no man adwuma anya ye babunu no tifie social contractor woni babunu no ko mu ode kwoto aba ma wo no sabi untimi ni so
wa she
because ye kwoto aba manifesto ne promises no a social contract
ne ka na da ho
kwoto
do
kasam sa ne ye ka no ye de wa ka kire nipa ne say ye ma me to aba ma me na nyame ya adom na mbetena kunwa so a me soma ye ABCD e de amount obetena kunwa so wa hia minhu B wa hia minhu
107.3.
C wa hia minhu ko di ma so di no a wunya no wase ato atwene wabodam
ye kan we aso be reset oman ye kan we aso be reset oman
bai fom fancha me bibi nkoye wan disi fo adwunum
ye kan we aso
obi anka sabone yo so obi ntina Ghana na on fa ne phone no wi abroni sika wo wi obi sika ana mememfo aso but alternative no wa he alternative no e wa he ye kan no akaso ke se sei na mabunu du omo ho akosem e mabunu mi ensa ka ye hwehwe omo e de omo ama America fo omo de omo akọ na de omo bekọ omo akọ ye omo a aban ni se sei de what the ABCD nsihye ye aba enti mabunu benya adwuma ye se ne be mabunu no sa mobile phone no omo de bokoro no o mbetimi agya ye a fantastic by all standard
ne ka na da ho do
fantastic by all standard
ne ka na da ho do
but the man want me kan kire say aka 3 ye de omo ko school ne hia uko school a wadwene de ye ntimi new fruit why aye class 1
say anya what ban e bi ni pansa
P1 for a lion has a tail now kika
say anya what ban e bi ni
it has a big head and a small why
wait boy
yemfa we mu man and safa hudie no a ye je free kwase buroni nsam no so no ye nya safa hudie no 1957 no ye nim
Ye bomu a no kra na dikan.
because MPP aban betena konwa so hye no ma no a na aban bone NDC aban waba one day no aduru ni nyina hye no agu no enti adane agwefo asa akraba me abusafo bi ye amnafo yakura ni ba ko ni abe achimienu yakura ni ba ko ni abe achimienu ba bi agina na agina na dada
media ka men ko anka butri ka ma chini ko munya no se ka men ko ma dwenkyira ka meka so munya no because abrofu na be kum yen ye ko school yen kwala no na muka kire se abrofu be fa yen na no nko adom ko ye adwumaden e de sesio mukuro ye gold ye diamond ye bauxite ma twini nyina de ko afa ye mpanifo so kan wa ko ye adwumaden eti eno mo ye investment we kura so fa so na ye gi ye nya ma mo so timi ye ka men ko anka butri ka no ko munya no Ghana ha nyina akonfo. Ghana man yom se see corrupt nyina from top to down nyina akonfo. Because also 40 me jina ka to say mon first camera fe ko nyankopon. Emle ko onum se o gini ne yene ne makodi. Ne nyame hia sika. O nyame sika njete ne dia. O hia sika. So for be jina ka to say first camera fe ko nyame. A minister for GB. Enkwala GB market woman. Okwa wa boni konko ne to. E de kandra gum. No de asade de ama ugare. No ketua bi was no ka ba ko jiska. Okwa body adro ye to be 20 cedis. So okotoba or tibako 10 cedis. Ni nyina ekro no. Ghana ha from top to down. Ye nyina akrofo. It is ye nyam enkwala yi no wadwe ye sharp. Ne ena nan madwuma diam dem koye obrochire no. Amu ji hu sika dia bran ya. Ebe ya media ka me ko ka munyayom. Munyayom na wekura na sofa so na moje no. Sika boti na kasa no. Ewo mo ho abrofo no. Amu ye criminals. Abrofo tri mo den. Hey, amatu yensu ase no. Amatu etim ba nyina. Ensu afase ye timi sane anom no. Amatu ni nyina ase no abrofo yi. Abese yensuo edi ka mika gu nsuo nim ema na yetimi kra nsuo firi abrochire eba Ghana sane anom. Wickedness. Etimi aka me koma jenchira ka butrika no. Munyai no. Munyai no. Yapa mo chawo. Because yenye sika na ewa mo ho no. Okwa brochire me metu kwampen. Omu ni hwe. Okwa omu ni hwe. Abrofi yenye Africa for Africa nye nyina eya brofu yi de basam amasimi allow no bonifi ni krom ababechi mo nkasa mo ba say oya fraud na fraud abrofu dia yeyen fraud abrofu on dia yeyen wo manyim yibetimi akan ni betimi aka me no kasa yi ebiti pre mo ba ebetwati mbako ebetu gadam say ebetu abese yensuo me no kasa ya ebi ba eti yenyan kwala madwe ye sharp brain no mu ji sika de manya munyawom na kro munya de ye sika ntimi de kama dwenchira enka botri kan ne krofoi munyawom nyina no ntom ba bi wo na wo se woni bibia no watini anya onema yie na waje usika eno ano no.
After the viral video I made for Honorable Sam George, our very own TikToker Asantua gave a tough comment in the comment sections. Honorable Sam George, Asantua says I should ask you whether you and your fellow ministers, your various salaries are equal to your assets. Kindly answer us before you arrest us. Because, you know, after the more per youth no kasa. No krenya me nimnie obiaya boni AY3ka dear na about honorable. And I don't think any minister can come and prove to me personally or the youth of Ghana that what he or she is having is from the salaries from the no any sir. Honorable, when you came to power, we were expecting you people to go for the former Minister of Finance. After you people said he has stolen money and a whole lot. I don't want to dive in deep to Ken Oforiata's story. But to date, he is still in the US, allegedly. You've not gone for him. But here lies the case, white people, FBI, come down to Ghana, Ghana for. Esi den onu broni to me who say AY3ka area no. Esi den onu to me who. No, the thing said the world is for them. Omunim computer muama to the extent say and what so be benya computer ni ho adwini bi. That is why they are doing that. Anyone say bibini swear to me I dive deep. Akomu adromu suko. Etumi abeji broni sika. Eyo omu wan eno enti no mo beche boys. Na nya hwe. The difference between Ken Oforiata and AY3ka is that Ken Oforiata a papa penyimu onu hye suit. E dey fa Ghana for sika. Eating from our coffers. Stealing from our coffers, whilst AY3ka, as you people are saying, allegedly, I know a young guy, on the so or doing the mine, or do abro for who, or because of the education and a bebon brady or becage, this is what free chrome has said. If education really pays in Ghana, especially, Nanka someone living in Netherlands and to me in country, so no sika dosu, see or be a PhD, Ghana, it will never happen. Ghana is who you know. Semiti abna boampoma senka minimobia esenka semrewe. I'm far ahead. I've gone somewhere because yes, I have the talent of talking, how I can present. You feel me, honorable, you feel me. Whilst our honorable, our leaders, you are correcting us, we can also share our points. So there is nothing bad about this thing. But honorable, you people should sit down and analyze things and work for us. Let our terms be of benefit. Let's not regret giving you the power. Beautiful people, thank you all for sharing the video yesterday. Edu baby, I was say Drew Onuya TV. Thank you. Thanks to everyone. Obia share video, reposting all the blogs. Obia, thank you. Ghana for the youth. Let's stay awake to watch our leaders change the nation. Yes, it is possible.